The crypto industry is evolving rapidly, but only a few projects are building real-world financial infrastructure that can support millions of users. One of the projects quietly doing this is Zebec Network, and at the center of its growing ecosystem sits the ZBCN token. If you want to understand why Zebec is gaining attention across the digital payment space, you need to understand how ZBCN powers the entire ecosystem. Welcome back to the channel, Satoshi Guy. Make sure you watch this video to the end and subscribe for more updates on Zebec Network and the future of crypto payments. First, let's start with the big picture. ZBCN sits at the core of the Zebec ecosystem, acting as the economic engine that powers the network. As Zebec expands its financial products, the utility of ZBCN continues to grow. This is important because in crypto, long-term value often comes from real usage, not hype. Zebec is building what many call a crypto financial super app. Inside the Zebec super app, users can access payment services, crypto wallets, payroll systems, and soon even more advanced financial tools. All of these services interact with ZBCN in some way, creating constant demand within the ecosystem. One of the most important roles of ZBCN is powering platform fees. Every financial network requires transaction fees to operate, and in the Zebec ecosystem, these fees are connected to ZBCN. This creates a natural utility loop where network activity directly supports the token's importance. Another major component is staking. Holders of ZBCN can stake their tokens to earn rewards, which creates passive income opportunities for long-term supporters of the network. Staking also plays an important role in reducing the circulating supply of the token. When users lock their tokens in staking programs, fewer tokens remain available in the open market, which can strengthen the overall token economy over time. The community aspect of ZBCN is also critical. The Zebec team, early investors, advisors, and community members all hold and interact with ZBCN. This alignment ensures that the success of the ecosystem benefits everyone involved. When the platform grows, the token economy grows alongside it. ZBCN also acts as the fuel behind rewards and incentives across the ecosystem. Many blockchain platforms struggle with user adoption, but Zebec uses ZBCN to reward participation. Whether it's using the platform, contributing to the network, or engaging with new services, rewards distributed in ZBCN help encourage activity and growth. Another key utility is service fees tied to portfolio thresholds. Certain features and services within the Zebec ecosystem may require users to hold or use ZBCN to access them. This model encourages users to keep ZBCN in their portfolios if they want full access to the platform's financial tools. One of the most powerful mechanisms supporting ZBCN is the buyback system. Zebec generates revenue from its products and services, and part of that revenue is used to buy back ZBCN from the market. Buybacks reduce the circulating supply of tokens over time, which can strengthen the token's long-term economic structure. This is a strategy that many successful financial networks use. By tying revenue to token buybacks, Zebec creates a feedback loop where platform growth directly supports the token economy. In addition to buybacks, Zebec maintains a treasury system funded by product revenue. This treasury is used to support development, expand infrastructure, and build new services within the ecosystem. Strong treasuries are important because they ensure that a project can continue innovating and expanding for years to come. As Zebec continues building its product suite, the demand for ZBCN is expected to grow. The more users interact with the super app, the more the token becomes embedded into everyday financial activity within the network. And this is where the long-term vision becomes clear. Zebec is not just building another crypto token. It is building a real financial ecosystem where payments, financial services, and blockchain technology merge into one unified platform. In that system, ZBCN acts as the economic backbone. From staking rewards to service fees, from ecosystem incentives to buybacks and treasury funding, ZBCN touches nearly every part of the Zebec network. As adoption increases and more users enter the ecosystem, the role of ZBCN becomes even more significant. The crypto market is moving toward real-world utility, and projects that build actual financial infrastructure are likely to lead the next phase of blockchain adoption. Zebec Network is positioning itself in that direction, and ZBCN is the key asset that ties the entire system together. If Zebec continues executing its vision and expanding its financial services, the importance of ZBCN within the ecosystem could grow significantly over time. So keep watching the development of Zebec Network closely. And if you want more updates, deep dives, and the latest crypto insights, make sure you subscribe to Satoshi Guy and stay ahead of the market.